Good morning, garden friends and family. Today we're going to harvest some vegetables. I got mortgage lifter tomatoes. These are blushing, so I'm taking them. The first one I got off of here weighed 18 ounces. Look how pretty. Nice cucumber. These are divas. Just wait until I'm here in the top. I climbed up for the burpless cucumber. I'm getting these cucumbers. It's the time of the year you get the weird shaped cucumbers. Nice one here. Came in here to get the squash. I have more squash growing in here. Alright, go. It's a nice squash. Two on the ground there. I'm going to let them hang in there. Getting some of these fire hot peppers. Fire hot peppers. So this is my harvest for today, garden family. Thank you for watching. It's a hot day, but you got to get out there and harvest your garden.